Looking for the best tart pans? In this video we look at some of the top 3 tart pans on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Fox Run, Rectangular Loose Bottom Tart. Pros: it's 11 inches long with a rectangular shape. Made from stainless steel. Durable. Allows even heating. Has drop-out bottom for quick release. Easy to use. Cons: pan is too shallow for quiche recipes. Bottom line: its features and durable material make this pan a go-to choice for expert and casual bakers. At number 2. Wilton, Mini Silicone Molds. Pros: multi-color set of 6. Made from silicone. Mini molds that are 4 inches deep. Dishwasher and oven safe. Easy to use. Flexible. Non-sticking and quick removal. Cons: bendy material makes it difficult to make pie crusts. Bottom line: its features and affordable price make these molds a steal for bargain hunters. At number 1. Jamie Oliver, Tart Pie Tin. Pros: it's 10 inches long. Made from steel material. Bottom separates. Has even heating and quick release. Non-stick coating. Deep. Durable. Easy to use. Cons: tin scratches easily. Bottom line: its size and durable material make this pan an ideal choice for regular usage. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.